these are the ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe. You can always add in 3 to 4 dates if you want the brownies to be sweeter. To make this brownie, we'll be using a food processor, but if you don't have one, you can just use a normal food blender. So you start off with mixing in all the nuts, and followed by the sunflower seeds and the goji berries, along with the dark chocolate. Then we'll add in the oats, which will give that floury consistency, and the sweet potatoes. I personally like to use purple sweet potatoes because I find them sweeter, but they're not easy to find, so you can just use the normal orange ones. They're good too. Then we'll add in the nutritional yeast for that B12 and some coconut flakes. I like the taste of coconut, but if you don't have to add it. Then we'll add in the flax seeds, and finally the cacao powder for that nice chocolatey taste. Then we have to add in a bit of water just to make it blendable and give that mushy consistency. And then just mixing everything together, and you got your dough. We will be steaming this brownie because unlike baking, steaming preserves all the nutrients of the ingredients that were put into the dough. And it also actually gives a really nice texture to the brownie afterwards. And there you have it, the healthiest brownie in the world. If you do decide to make it, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I hope you enjoy it. I guess that's it for today. Till next time, bisous!